Okay, go. Pull out the fat. Ew, ew. Ew. Does it feel gross?
Rat, only it's not pregnant.
I know.
Why'd you get a fat rat? God.
Fuck. Because I wanted it to be pregnant.
Well, it was just fat.
Well, it was just fat.
Ew.
Because people are fat doesn't mean they're pregnant.
Oh.
You just do.
Pulling fat out of it. We're giving it liposuction. Oh, it was like a string of fat.
I don't know how you got yours so good. Yours is like all flat.
Nick, are you okay?
I'm fine. Mine's like curled up. Yeah, yours is like a cat or something. Stupid.
Stupid. Okay, go.
Oh.
Dude, that's a lot of fat. I need to go on a diet.
Oh, we're keeping it a diet, alright.
Who's hungry?
Not me.
Do you have a hole in
I
it?
don't know. I hope not.
Dude, what is what?
I don't know, but it's like really...
A baby?
Is it a baby?
No, it's not a baby.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh god, it smells.
Oh, I just pulled out something else.
What?
Pulled out something that wasn't fat. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Cut the stuff out.
Okay, the trachea is going to be on esophagus, so they'll run right along each other.
Did you cut yourself?
No.
Why are you saying
I
ow?
don't know, it started to hurt.
Did you cut yourself? No, but why are you saying?
Ah!
It's okay.
It's okay. Oh, dude, that's so gross. It looks like...
It's waving.